Alright, gotta grab some stuff out of the barn. Haven't been in the barn since last year. Thought, yeah, maybe I'll put the GoPro on just in case a creature, pardon my language, jumps out or God knows what else is in this place. Here we go. Oh, there's my gas can. Came up here for the mosquito thing. The old Polaris. So these are the snowmobiles that I thought about throwing the motor in the Honda Odyssey. That one doesn't have a motor in it. That's not a rotary engine there. I have not lifted the hood of this one. If there's no motor in there, I'm going to be... Oh, something's in there. God. Oh boy. There it is. It's crazy. Wankel. Oh yeah, gas tank doesn't have a cap on it. I don't think she's gonna fire up as is. I wonder if that motor was swapped into the other one at some point, because I'm sure a rotary engine in a snowmobile is probably the worst idea I've ever heard of for reliability. Hey, minus 30. I'll rely on a wankel to start. Cool. And here's all the holes in the floor. Look at that. When Buddy was cleaning up the barn, he went right through. That was nice. Nice phone call to get. Oh, I went through your floor. Great. Maybe you should stop doing that. No. I only went through a couple times. I'll be okay. Oh, fantastic. That's holding up pretty good. It's crazy, the old beams in here. I climbed almost to the top the one time, but it's a little sketchy. There's a cable across the top. I think it was for the hay, getting up there. But what else is in here? This is all cleaned out. There was so much junk in here. Lots of mouse shit. Really hear the wind through here. There's the old Kichioga resort sign, part of a shelf. I got some tractor parts in here too. Cool. Anyways, I gotta get this mosquito trap and set that up for the year.